Hi, I'm Eli, and today we are going to be building your basic Lego house. I already have the frame outlined, and I recommend a 10 by 10 square. The other things you'll be using are trees and fencing for a yard, and windows and a door. You don't have to add the windows, and here are also just Lego bricks. Also, if you're going to be using the 10 by 10 square, then you're going to need these little cube blocks for in between your door and your wall. So now you have to overlap them to make your wall stronger, your bricks. So now we are on our first layer, and so this is when you want to add windows. This is when you have to add windows if you're going to add windows. And so our window bricks go right there, and then you can just build around them, just like our door. So we're going to add another window, and now we are going to start building more. So now we're at the window's edge. So you're going to have to place a square cube somewhere on there so that the 4 pieces fit over half of the window so that it secures the window. Now we are going to build around. Now we're going to do the same to the other window. Now that we're at the door, we are going to have to do the same as we did to the windows, but this time we don't have to use the little square cubes to secure it. That was the final layer, so now we can start adding the roof. So for the roof, you have to have corners. You have to have the corners lined up and only one side of the brick touching the walls of your house. So for your second layer of roofing, you will need to build just the same thing but smaller. And you need 2 square cubes or 1 rectangular thing to seal off the little hole. Mine broke, and so we are just going to have to redo that last step. Okay. So now we are going to be building the yard. All you need is a few fencing pieces, and now that our fencing is done, we place in the trees, and there's your house. So that is your basic Lego house.